get अभी तक इस promo पर क्योंकि काफ़ी buzz है. We are also getting a lot of
Yeah.
messages. What feedback did you get?
So I think the feedback till just universally till now, we've done about 110 episodes, has been very, very good. It's from the characters being really liked to the story being liked to the mounting of the show. I think is very different. तीन भाइयों की कहानी कभी नहीं आई है and such a luxurious sort of show. I think people are really liking to it and are sort of acknowledging each character on the show, which is interesting. Usually it's all about the hero heroine, but I think everyone's really being liked, which is interesting. That's what makes a good show, I think, when the ensemble works.
लास्ट हमने आपका देखा काम जो प्यार का दर्द है में काफ़ी क्यूट स्वीट था और यहाँ पे टोटल चेंज ओवर. हाउ मच डिड यू वर्क फॉर दिस कैरेक्टर?
As much as I worked for the last show for Pyar Ka Dard Hai, actually, so people think because I was playing an easier, like a fun-loving, larger-than-life character in the show, it must have been easier. But to be honest, to play any character, you have to sort of really, if you're committed to it, put your life, to it while you're shooting, and while you're not shooting, you're thinking about it, which is what happens in my case. So I would say it's equally hard. I won't say it's tougher or easier. This one is equally hard as last one was. But once I think you sort of the initial, जब main hard work होता है वो पहले initial एक महीना होता है is when you're really thinking where to take this character, क्योंकि it's a new character which a writer has thought of, producer has imagined, but it's up to the actor to bring life to it. So once you do that initial bit of hard work, then I think now is the fun part when I'm sort of discovering the smaller nuances and और क्या कर सकते हैं और क्या situations हैं. So now is the fun part when I'm really enjoying like getting into the skin of it.
Okay, did you have to unlearn anything from whatever you did in प्यार का दर्द है?
Interestingly, हाँ बहुत अच्छा सवाल है ये. So when we start shooting, there's a way in which I work. So before the scene, I really like prep myself up. And so my producer sort of noticed this about me, Gul. She said, whenever you get angry, your nostrils really flare up because I think it's got to do with my breathing, which I really work up before a scene. She said, don't do that, it doesn't look sexy. And I said, listen, I'm supposed to be angry, how does it matter how I look? She says, no, I want you to look sexy while you're angry also. So that's one thing which I sort of worked on. It was difficult because aesthetically it has to look great. So you have to make the scene work, yet you have to look like perfect. Which is something I learned from her actually. Credit to Gul for that. And I think that is one thing which I've picked up. Uske alawa to I think you bring in all your experience and you bring in every day you learn new things on set actually from everybody, from your co-actors to director, and you sort of grow. Yeah.
So what's the bond with all the actors, Nakul? कितना मस्ती धमाल हो रहा है off screen अगर बात करें?
Very good, yeah. I think it's probably the youngest show on television right now on the GC channel. The three of us, I think even both the girls are not too old on TV also. All of us have probably done only 2 shows actually, fiction shows. Kunal's done probably 3. So all of us are kind of sort of new and like really wanted to, do a good job, which I like because your excitement and enthusiasm every day is the same.
So were you skeptical taking this up, or you were like very sure about this?
Why would I be skeptical?
For this role, were you like thinking twice before taking it up, or was it like?
No, when I heard it, I said, great. I mean, someone can imagine me like this, and because most people would give me straight out romantic roles to do, which I mean, I guess with my looks, it's a natural fit. But I was looking as an actor to, experiment and not get bracketed into a certain kind of role. And I'm very happy that I was actually very happy to try something as adventurous as Shivai Singh Oberoi because it's unlike a TV hero in a sense where it can get into the negative space as well. He is absolutely stubborn and egoistical, and so a lot of people can hate him for that. But I'm happy to take on that wrath to live something with a character which is so interesting.
Okay, you also did a web series.
Yeah.
I
don't watch TV.
Do you miss it? Or
funny, the good part about a web series is people, because it's on YouTube, people continue to like consume it every day, and I still get messages even today. Like I had a barrage of messages on Twitter saying we love your show, and which is the good thing. Television, somewhere you watch an episode and अगले दिन एक नया episode आता है, so somewhere it doesn't remain exclusive. So because you have something new to look forward to, whereas a film or a web series, you've created something, it's there for eternity. So someone might discover it sitting in New Zealand one fine day and just say, hey, wow, So that's the advantage. Do I miss it? I mean, every project you do, you have good memories and you take it forward. And I look forward to making some more web series in the future.
Also, also incorporated your friends like Drashti, Sanaya in the show. How was it calling them, and did they just throw off it, or they just came in for the show?
I think they were very kind. Everyone from Drashti, Sanaya, Ritvik, Karan Vahi, Kritika, Riddhi, Aneri, Mishkat. I mean, the list just goes on. Everyone just came on because they said, here is a guy who's trying to make something interesting. He's, I think they probably saw the genuineness behind the effort, and I think full marks to them for like wanting to trust me to do something like this, because I actually got some people who are not friends also, but I thought would fit the role, and I called them and they just came on so graciously, which was, I think, beautiful. I think a lot of young actors on TV want to experiment now, which is great. So they're open to doing different content, which I figured after doing this show. Listen, they say so much about it on Twitter and Facebook that I don't think I need to say anymore. But thank you so much for all the love which comes and a lot of hate which comes for Shivai being as mean as he is. But I think every time I see a hate message, I look at myself and I'm like, okay, job well done, because that's exactly what we're planning with the character. So I'm glad that you're being affected by the show, good or bad, because I would rather have you affected than be ignorant about it. And the fact that you guys want Shivai to be nice to Anika is because you really want them to come together, which is a good thing, and hopefully you'll see some more of bad Shivai now.